Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Valorant on Windows 10. First, ensure your computer meets the game's minimum system requirements for a smooth experience. You will need at least 4 GB of RAM, a 2-core processor, and a graphics card supporting DirectX 11. Also, confirm your Windows 10 operating system is fully updated and you have at least 15 GB of free storage space. Now, let's get the game installed. Head over to the official Riot Games website and download the Valorant installer. Once downloaded, run the file and follow the simple on-screen instructions to begin the installation process. You will also need a Riot Games account. Either create a new one or log in with your existing credentials to proceed. After the main game installation, Riot Vanguard, the essential anti-cheat software, will automatically install. This is crucial for playing Valorant. Once Vanguard is installed, it is very important to restart your computer to ensure everything functions correctly. After the restart, you can launch Valorant directly from your desktop shortcut or through the Riot Games client. To enhance your gameplay, dive into the in-game settings. Adjust your video options for the best balance between performance and visual fidelity, aiming for a smooth frame rate. Experiment with mouse sensitivity and keybinds to find what feels most comfortable for your playstyle. Finally, complete the in-game tutorial to grasp the core mechanics before jumping into competitive matches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.